Hello friends. The question which I got was how workers in organized sectors can fight against exploitation. Before diving into the topic, I want to clear some points. Exploitation and oppression are found everywhere, whether it is bank, hospitals, school, college, factories, universities, whatever it is, exploitation and oppression are found everywhere. And keeping it in mind, our government had formalized various acts which ensures welfare of workers. So if you are an employee who is getting exploited in any ways, then you can take help by these acts. First one are Forest Acts and Shops and Establishment Acts. Both of these acts are very famous and is made by Indian government, which allows it to regulate working condition like safe working environment, like weekly holidays plus Sunday as a paid leave, by which the workers get payment but doesn't work on that day. So according to these acts, maximum working hour is 48 hours a week, that is 8 hours a day for a worker. And if these working hour exceeds, then it goes against the law of this act, and in that case that particular worker can take legal help. The second act is Minimum Wages Act. According to this act, if a worker of Bihar, yes, these values are specifically for Bihar, so check these values for your respected states. So according to this act, if a worker of Bihar is unskilled, means he is not having any skill of any kind, then he will get minimum 237 rupees per day, and the sum is total of about 6162 rupees per month. And if the labor is skillful, like he is working in construction site or something like that, then he will get 367 rupees per day, and the sum is total of about 9542 rupees per month. The third act is Payment of Gratuity Act. According to this act, if a worker is removed forcefully, then he will get a specific amount of money for his 4 to 5 years of service. And what is gratuity? Gratuity can be defined as the amount of money given to employee by employer for forcefully removing him without any reason or with any reason. Then that amount is known as gratuity. And why it is given? It is given to support workers' family. One question arises here: how much? The answer is 15 days of salary of all working years. So let's assume and take for example that I have a salary of 18,000 per month, which means 18,000 salary for 30 days, month 30 days. And let's assume that I have worked for 5 consecutive years. Alright, 1 year has 12 months, so 5 multiplied by 12 equals 60 months total. And what states here? 15 days of salary of all working years. So what will be the half of it? It will be 9,000. 18,000 is for 30 days, no, so for 15 days it will become 9,000, and of all working years, so 60 months, and the sum is equal to 5,40,000. So if I as a worker is forcefully removed by from my service, then I will get the amount of 5,40,000 as gratuity. Hope I made myself clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.